Ever wondered how Google News groups similar news articles together? That's unsupervised learning at work. Unsupervised learning, a type of machine learning, is a method that lets algorithms loose on a dataset without any prior training. Imagine a detective thrown into a mystery without a clear target, looking for patterns and clues within the chaos. Unlike its counterpart, supervised learning, where the algorithm is trained on a labeled dataset, unsupervised learning doesn't have this luxury. It's tasked with finding hidden structures, patterns, and correlations within the data, all without any pre-existing labels or categories. It's akin to learning a new language without a translation guide, where you must decipher meanings, patterns, and rules all by yourself. It's a bit like exploring an unknown terrain, looking for landmarks and creating a map as you go along. So, in essence, unsupervised learning is like a detective looking for clues to solve a mystery without having a specific target in mind. Now let's dive into some real-world examples to understand unsupervised learning better. One of the most common places you'll encounter unsupervised learning is in Google News. If you've ever wondered how Google News manages to group similar news articles together, the answer is clustering, a type of unsupervised learning. Google's algorithms sift through thousands of online articles, picking up on common themes, keywords, and contexts. It then groups these articles together, creating a comprehensive view of a single news story from multiple sources. This not only makes it easier for us to absorb information, but also provides a more rounded view by including different perspectives. Another place you'll find unsupervised learning at work is in the recommendation systems of platforms like Netflix. Have you ever wondered how Netflix seems to know exactly what you'd like to watch next? It's not magic, it's association rules, another form of unsupervised learning. Netflix's algorithms analyze your viewing history, picking up on patterns and preferences you may not even be consciously aware of. It then uses these insights to suggest shows and movies you might enjoy. This not only enhances your viewing experience, but also keeps you hooked on their platform for longer. Unsupervised learning also plays a crucial role in the field of astronomy. Astronomers deal with vast amounts of data from stars, galaxies, and other celestial objects. Unsupervised learning algorithms help to classify these celestial bodies based on their properties and behaviors. This aids in new discoveries and better understanding of our universe. Furthermore, unsupervised learning is used in the healthcare industry for gene sequencing. It helps in identifying patterns and relationships among genes, aiding in the prediction and treatment of various diseases. It's a prime example of how unsupervised learning can unearth hidden patterns that humans might overlook. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg. Unsupervised learning has vast applications across numerous fields, from finance to social media and even weather forecasting. As you can see, unsupervised learning helps in discovering hidden patterns and providing useful insights in various applications. Unsupervised learning can be categorized mainly into two types: clustering and association. Let's take a moment to unpack these concepts. First, we have clustering. This is all about identifying and grouping similar instances together. Think of it as a teacher grouping students based on their academic performance or interests. Each group is distinct, yet within the group, the students share common traits. On the other hand, we have association. This isn't about grouping, but rather discovering rules that describe large portions of your data. Consider it as a detective work, finding correlations between variables. For example, finding a correlation between eating junk food and getting cavities. This association rule doesn't group junk food and cavities together, but it identifies a pattern or relationship between the two. So to sum up, clustering and association are the two main types of unsupervised learning. Remember, clustering is like grouping similar students in a classroom, and association is like finding a correlation between eating junk food and getting cavities. All right, time to wrap up what we've learned about unsupervised learning. In essence, it's a type of machine learning where our algorithm is left on its own to find patterns in the data. Without having a prior label or outcome to guide it, the model discovers hidden structures within the data. We ventured through real-world examples, seeing how unsupervised learning is applied in areas like recommendation systems, customer segmentation, and news article grouping. These applications demonstrate the power and versatility of this learning model, We also explored different types of unsupervised learning, including clustering and association. Clustering groups similar data points together, while association finds rules that describe large portions of the data. In conclusion, unsupervised learning is a fascinating and integral part of our increasingly data-driven world. So, next time when Netflix recommends a show or Google News groups similar articles, remember, it's the magic of unsupervised learning at play.